Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. I am Sonali ma'am, and today I have come to teach you maths. So children, in a previous session, you have learned backward numbers 100 to 91. Yes, right. And today we are going to do backward numbers 100 to 51. So children, let's see how we write 100 to 51. Before that, we will read the numbers. So children, today we are going to do backward numbers 100 to 51. So repeat after me children. 100, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay children, let's start with today's date. 12.10.20. Leave two boxes and then we will write backward. First alphabet will be capital B and the rest will be small. B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward. Then one finger space and then we will write capital N and the rest of the alphabets will be small. So U, M, B, E, R, S. Backward numbers. Next line we will write 100, 100 dash 51. 1. Then we will leave the next line after that and next to the margin we will write
H T O
dot TO dot TO dot TO, and then in the next page on the same line next to the margin you will write one more TO. So first will be H2O and then 4 times TO. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
So children, H stands for 100, T for tens and O for ones.
So our first number is 100. So we will write 100, 100. Then it is 99. So 99 will come under tens and ones. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Then 90, 90. Then 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Then it will be 60, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. So children, the way I have written 100 to 51 in backward numbers, you also have to write it the same way along with the heading in your own books, neatly and nicely. Okay? So children, I hope you all will write it neatly in your books, backward numbers 100 to 51. Till we meet again tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.